In our last video, we uncovered how DNA damage accelerates aging in your pet. But what provides the energy to repair that relentless damage? The answer lies in a single, extraordinary molecule called NAD+. It is the literal spark of life in every cell, but unfortunately this vital spark begins to dim as your pet ages, creating a cellular energy crisis. NAD+ is a master coenzyme found in every living cell in your pet's body. It plays two indispensable roles. First, it fuels metabolism, acting as the power source in the mitochondria to create ATP energy. Second, it regulates cellular health by activating the enzymes that repair damaged DNA and protect against age-related diseases. Without NAD+, your pet's cells simply cannot function. But here's the problem. NAD+ levels can plummet by over 50% from youth to your pet's senior years. This sharp decline is driven by a vicious cycle. As DNA damage accumulates with age, repair enzymes consume massive amounts of NAD+. Combined with chronic inflammation and reduced natural production, this creates a systemic energy deficit that leads to fatigue, cognitive decline, and weakened immunity. Perhaps the most critical consequence of this decline is its effect on sirtuins. Sirtuins are a family of proteins known as the guardians of the genome or longevity genes. They organize DNA repair, control inflammation, and maintain cellular stability. But sirtuins are entirely dependent on NAD+. When NAD+ levels fall, these longevity genes go silent, leaving your pet cells vulnerable and accelerating the aging process. The good news is that this decline is not irreversible. While exercise and diet offer modest benefits, clinical research shows that supplementing with NAD+ precursors like NMN or NR is the most direct and powerful way to restore youthful cellular function. By providing these raw materials, you can reignite the spark of life in your senior companion. If you found this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to click the link in the description below to read our full scientific guide on NAD+ and pet longevity.